Hey guys, it's Modesty and welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are returning and you've been here for a little bit, I'm so glad you guys are here today. I'm just gonna do a really quick little unboxing video. I haven't done one of these in like 5 million years. I've been getting the Walmart beauty box for years now, and it's something that I continue to get. I don't know why I stopped doing unboxing videos. I kind of just, I don't know, I just kind of stopped. But I want to start doing those again for you today, and the Walmart ones are always fun. They're quick, they're cheap, and they're really useful. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna dive right into it. This is the fall box, I believe. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. So this is what it looks like. Hey, this might be their spring box actually, I'm not sure, but it says summer box. It says hello sunshine, and I'm gonna open it up. Ooh, goodies. Okay, I really like these boxes for you know, travel purposes and things like that. This is what it looks like when you first open it up, and it's $5. Basically the box is free. You pay $5 for shipping, and you get this. It's like a seasonal box, so it comes like every 3 or so months. I will have a link down below if you guys are curious about it. I didn't know about it until I watched Emily Noel talk about it, and now I'm gonna talk about it. I have lipstick in my teeth. Alright, so let's just dive right into the box. So the first thing I grab is a Salon Perfect brow pomade. Ooh, fun. This is a full-size item, and then you get like a little brush in it. Oh, that's actually a pretty decent brush. It's a little thick here for my liking, but that's what she said. But yeah, this might be a little dark for me. We'll see. Let me try it out right now, actually. Oh, dang. That is creamy. You only need a little bit. Oh, dang. That's actually, ooh. Just kind of like, I'm digging this already, actually. Nice. Hang on. You guys, that's actually pretty decent. I would say this is like a shade too dark for me, but in like a light hand, I can make it work. And this is by Salon Perfect, which they also make like lashes. You can get this at Walmart. Duh, Walmart beauty box. The pomade has like a nice grip to it. Like it's not super like not too creamy. It has a nice grip to it for sure. The formula actually really reminds me of the Anastasia brow pomade, to be totally honest with you. Really reminds me of that. Nice! I like that. That's a good little thing. So you got a full-size makeup item, so this is already like paid for itself. So there is the Salon Perfect Done-in-One Brow Pomade in dark brown. I'd probably need like medium brown. So I got that. And then we got, ooh, one of those hair ties that don't fall out of your hair and reduces the headache. I love these like little cord hair ties, you guys. They are phenomenal. And this one's nice and tight. Get it right, get it right, get it tight, get it right, get it right. So yeah, I got a little cord hair tie. These are super useful, and a lot of times if your hair is nice and tight, you have to have like your hair tight so that the hair tie doesn't fall out. These grip, and they don't cause knots, so since your hair doesn't have to be as tight, it reduces headaches, which I am very prone to headaches with my buns and my ponytail, so I'm actually really excited about this. Next thing is the Tresemme Between Washes Volumizing Instant Refreshes Revives Dry Shampoo. I use dry shampoo religiously, so I'm always having to buy more, so I have a little bit of a travel one / backup. You can't go wrong with dry shampoo, you guys. So I actually used some dry shampoo today, and I was almost out, so I'm glad I got this. Next, you get a disposable razor. Cool. This is Soleil, it's by Bic. I actually use this one a lot. And 3 blades, pink. You can't go wrong with a razor. Look, when you go and buy a razor, it's gonna be like $5 or $6. When you go buy a razor, it's gonna be like $5 or $6. Boom, you got a razor. So you don't have to, so now you can wait like 2 or 3 more weeks before buying razors. Next, I got a Ballistics Lip Vibrance built-in mirror. Wait, what? This has SPF in it. I love SPF lip balms. Oh my gosh. Built-in. What? So, oh my gosh. So you, what is happening? That smells glorious. No, I've never seen a lip balm with a mirror. That is crazy. Full-size lip balm, you guys. Boom, you can't beat that. Then I got, so then you have coupons and flyers, things like that. Then I got a damage repair 1-minute hair mask. So you can do looks like it's 1 or 2 uses depending on the length of your hair. So I can do a hair mask if I want to. And then blackhead eliminating strip to scrub. What is this? Salicylic acid acne treatment. Let me open it up. Okay, so try our better blackhead solution. I've never seen this product before, you guys. This is brand new. After washing face, dry hands and gently remove strip from packaging. Apply strip to wet nose with dry finger. Oh, so this is, oh, I get it. Okay, so you guys know that morning scrub from Neutrogena that a lot of people love. So they created it essentially in strips for your blackheads instead of doing the other ones, like you guys know which ones I'm talking about. So rinse through. So instead of it so dry and leave on for 1 to 2 minutes, you leave it on for 1 to 2 minutes, wet the strip and massage it into the skin to scrub the blackheads away, rinse thoroughly. I am going to test this out in a video, I think, because I'm very intrigued by it. So that is that. And yeah, that is everything that I got in the box. Literally $5 for everything that I just got. So you got full-size lip balm, full-size brow pomade, you got a mask, you got, dude, this is so cool. I got a full-size razor. Dude, this is legit. Okay, so I got all this for $5. Literally, you guys, $5 every season, and it's stuff that you get travel size stuff, like, so you don't have to, like, if you're traveling, just throw it in your bag. You don't have to go buy, like little things. I haven't had, since I've been in this box, I haven't had to buy travel size anything because it just shows up. I paid $5 for shipping and I got it. That is the entire Walmart beauty box for the summer. I cannot wait for the fall and winter boxes to arrive. Oh, they're usually really good ones. So I'm super excited. I really enjoyed doing this unboxing again. Let me know if you want me to continue doing these for you guys. I'll have a sign up link for you guys down below. And yeah, you guys can check out my previous videos down below. You can check out my website. You can check out my social medias. Everything is in the down bar. So go check those out. Other than that, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up. That would really help me out. And if you shared it, that'd be awesome too. So I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Goodbye.